Setting up dual monitors with a docking station starts with checking your laptop's compatibility. Modern laptops need USB-C or Thunderbolt ports to connect to a docking station. Next, connect your docking station to the laptop using a single USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. This one cable will handle power, data, and video signals for both monitors. Now connect your monitors to the docking station. Use DisplayPort for the best performance and highest resolutions, or HDMI if your monitors don't have DisplayPort inputs. Finally, install the docking station drivers from the manufacturer's website for optimal performance. Then, configure your display settings in your operating system to extend your desktop across both monitors or mirror the same content on both screens. With these 4 steps completed, your dual monitor setup should be ready to use. The docking station provides a clean, single-cable solution that powers your laptop while extending your workspace across 2 displays. When setting up dual monitors with a docking station, several common issues can arise. Let's explore the most effective troubleshooting steps and optimization techniques to ensure your setup works flawlessly. The most common cause of display detection problems is outdated graphics drivers. When your monitors aren't being recognized, the first step is to update your graphics drivers through Device Manager. Resolution problems often stem from bandwidth limitations. Different connection types and cable qualities support different maximum resolutions and refresh rates. HDMI versions, for example, have varying capabilities. Screen flickering can be caused by electromagnetic interference from various sources. Poor cable quality or nearby electronic devices can disrupt the display signal, causing annoying flicker or instability. Power delivery is crucial for laptop charging while running dual monitors. Your docking station must provide sufficient wattage to power your laptop and both displays simultaneously without performance degradation. For optimal performance, use docking stations that support the latest standards like USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4. These provide high data transfer rates, better display support, and more reliable connections for professional dual monitor setups.